like to thank the Urban Assembly, Facebook, and Ms. Nadine for the amazing opportunity given to us over the past 4 months. As a young woman from Crown Heights, Brooklyn, and a person of color, the stories I have been told growing up and the people that are presented to me on television, movies, and in social media, let's face it, are often folks that just don't look like me. While I do think it would be cool if Sheldon from the Big Bang Theory was a black woman named Fatoumata, or that Wonder Woman was really a program designer who wore a hijab, for now I realize we as young women must hold on tight to the opportunities given to us and learn lots along the way and create the next generation of successful young women. Not only did we have fun in our social media class, we also learned so much about ourselves and the skills that we would need to be successful in school and beyond. During the class, we learned what it's like to navigate a group of people when making important decisions. Not so easy, I may add. Collaboration is about listening, being open-minded, and compromise, but also about sharing your own ideas when you know they are worth being heard. I learned that communicating effectively is essential for being productive and that being self-aware allows me to understand both my strengths and my weaknesses. All in all, this opportunity has allowed my classmates and I to explore future career options and develop the essential and allows me to understand both my strengths and my weaknesses. All in all, this opportunity has allowed my classmates and I to explore future career options and develop the essential life skills we will all need as we design our futures. Once again, thank you and good luck to all the presenters today.